Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Starbucks gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. Once you open up a web browser, go to the URL box and type in www.starbucks.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of starbucks.com, which looks like this. Click on the sign in button in the upper right hand corner. If you already have an account or if you don't have an account yet, click on the join now button at the bottom. Enter your personal information, that is your first name, your last name, enter an email address that is available to you, and create a password on the next field. While creating a password, make sure your password meets these criteria displayed right beneath. Once it does, you can see that there is an option right beneath that says already have a Starbucks gift card. You can add your gift card right now by clicking on this link. Type in your gift card number that is available at the back of your gift card for Starbucks. The gift card number is 16 digits long. Simply type it in, and once you type in your gift card number, go to the next field where it says security code and type in your security code, which is 8 digits long. Now, if you'd like to receive emails from Starbucks, you can check this box right here that says, yes, I'd like email from Starbucks. Now, once you're done, click on I agree to the Starbucks reward terms and Starbucks card terms box right here and click on create account. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new account for Starbucks with an added gift card on your account. Now, you can use your gift card whenever you pay for your Starbucks order online or in stores. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.